In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable Web Inspector in Safari on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings and then scroll down until we find Safari. Once you get into Safari settings, scroll down to the very bottom and then tap at Advanced. You will be taken to the Advanced Safari settings, and that's where you can easily find Web Inspector. To turn on or off that feature, just tap at that button. Down below here it says that to use the Web Inspector, connect to Safari on your computer using a cable and access your iPhone from the Develop menu. You can enable the Develop menu in the Advanced section of Safari settings on your computer. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.